computer if there is a problem or you manage to call him. So I call him. He told me, okay, just restart the computer and also the modem, switch off the modem. So I switch off the modem. Me and that's why I'm anyway. So switch off the modem and restart the computer. After that, so I click the it will not open. So I told him, Muhammad, it will not open. So he told me, oh, maybe there's a problem on the software chip. So he told me he will call Jira. Call Jira. What is that?